Hey my penguins, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. So today's video is a highly requested one. Many of you wanted to see which eye brushes I use to create my eye looks. So in this video I'm going to share with you all the eye brushes that I use. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first brush that I want to show you all is from ProArte. It's their PE22 brush. It's a big fluffy eyeshadow blending brush. It's the first brush that you will use to apply your transition shade on your crease. It's my most used and most favorite brush. As you can see, it has a big rounded end, so you can easily apply your transition shade with this brush. So the second brush is again from ProArte. Is their PE23 brush. It's a blending brush again, but it has a quite pointed end, as you can see. So it's perfect for applying eyeshadow directly on your crease, but at the same time it will blend the eyeshadow also. And you can also darken up your outer corner with the same brush. So the third brush is again from ProArte, and it's their PE19 brush, and it's a flat shader brush, as you can see, but you can use it in many other ways. It has quite a gift to it, as you can see. So after packing on the shade, you can easily blend it out using the tip of the brush, and it will be really diffused at the end. So next up I would like to show you all a pencil brush, which is from ProArte. It's their PE29 brush. So by now you have understood how much I love my ProArte brushes. These are amazing both in quality wise as well as in price point. And this pencil brush is amazing to smudge out your lower lash line, as well as you can smudge your upper lash line and highlight your inner corners. Or if you want to blend any area precisely, you can easily use this brush. It's not at all harsh on the skin. It's amazing. So if you are looking for that perfect brush for your cut creases, then I got you covered. This is the ProArte PF01 brush, and it's the perfect brush for your cut creases. Even beginners can easily use this, and you can see how sharp and pointy the end is. So if you want, you can just dab the concealer all over your crease, and if you are a pro at it, then you can just swipe this brush and you will get that sharp and precise line which you want. Next is an angled brush, and this is the ProArte PE28 brush, and it's the perfect angled brush that you can search in the market. It has that fine and thin end, so you can easily draw your wing eyeliner with the help of this brush, and if you want, you can fill up your brows also with the same brush. It's the perfect angled brush for me, so I don't use any other angled brushes except this one. So if you are looking for small blending brushes, then you should definitely check out these three brushes from PAC Cosmetics. The first one is the PAC 229 brush, and it's a beautiful small blending brush for that precise blending in your cut crease area. Or you can easily use this to deepen up the outer corners of your eyes, or to blend out eyeshadow on your lower lash line. It is really fluffy, but at the same time it's quite dense as well, so you can pack on the shade on your cut crease or the particular area where you want to, and at the same time you can blend that shade very easily. So this brush is the PAC 226 brush, which is again a small blending brush, but it is a little bit bigger than the previous one. And if you have hooded eyes or really small crease area, or your overall eyelid space is small, then you can use this brush as your blending brush to apply your transition shade as well as to blend your overall eyeshadow. It will work in the same way, and the bristles are really soft and fluffy. As you can see, it's not at all harsh against your skin. You will not feel pokey, so you should definitely check this out. Now is the PAC 115 brush, which is again a small detailed blending brush, and this is a really interesting brush. I mean, I've never seen any kind of brushes in any other brands. I don't know whether you have seen it or not, but I haven't. And this is my most favorite brush. I mean, it's really flared out at the end, as you can see, but pinched at the bottom, so this gives it a very petite look, which really helps to blend out a particular area, especially a very small area if you want to blend it out. So if you're looking for small detail brushes, you should grab this one. So if you're looking for a whole eye brush kit, then I would highly recommend you the PAC Eye Squad brush kit, which has a total of 15 eyeshadow brushes, as well as this beautiful sparkly rose gold brush holder, which is really worth praising. And it has all kinds of eye brushes that one would need to create any kind of eye makeup. And it has blending brushes, packing brushes, angled brushes, smudging brushes, each and every brushes that you would need. You can see how beautiful the brushes are, especially the black and rose gold color combination is so pretty. It has a total of 7 eyeshadow blending brushes, including various shapes and sizes, so you can easily use them to blend your eyeshadow smoothly. Then it has 3 different eyeshadow brushes, which you can easily use to apply your eyeshadow, your glitters, as well as you can use it to cut your crease. Then it has one big and one small bullet brush, which is really helpful to smudge out your lower lash line as well as for precise blending. Then it has this beautiful brush which has a straight ending, so it's really helpful to apply your dark eyeshadow really close to your lash line. Lastly, it has these 2 angled brushes, and this one is for your gel liners or your eyeliners in general, and it is really precise. And the last one has a spoolie at the end, so you can easily draw your eyebrows as well as comb it out at the end. So I hope this video was really helpful for you all, and if you really enjoyed it, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. Till then, see you in my next video, girlies. Stay happy, stay safe.